So check it out. It's a 2019 Toyota Highlander. I'm replacing the spark plugs, and what you would want to know is how to replace the rear spark plugs, because the front one is right here. That's very easy to do. The back ones, you got to pull the intake manifold partially, pull it forward, and strap it with a strap so you can stay there. And then you can reach around in the back. I'm using this to remove the spark plug in the back. I'm using this to remove the coil, the 10mm screw in the back. And there is one bolt over there by the front of the throttle body. There's a strap there that you have to undo. There's one hose here that you have to undo. And of course the air filter box. You have 1, 2, 3 coils in the front. These are easy, but that's the one that's hard to do. So you're gonna pull the intake manifold. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have about 7 bolts and nuts there. You're gonna remove it, and then you're gonna remove the stud. There's 2 studs, one over there and one over here. You're gonna remove those 2 studs. One other thing you want to know is to make sure you use genuine Toyota spark plugs, because it's not easy to do. And if you put genuine Toyota spark plugs in there, more than likely you won't have a problem. So anytime you have a job that's hard to do, I recommend using dealer parts only. Also, there's a gasket, intake manifold or upper plenum gasket. Make sure you replace that. Make sure you replace this gasket. I have a Toyota one here again, and I don't know if you can see that part number. Make sure you put fresh gasket on it when you're going back. You don't want to have an air leak. So these are what the spark plugs look like, the old ones. There, the Denso. Iridium FK2 0HBR8. Okay, let's put this intake manifold back together. One more other thing you want to do when you're replacing spark plug and take the intake manifold off. One more thing you want to do there is make sure you get an air blower and blow out all the dust and the sand, because you don't want it to get inside of the engine. So make sure you do that first. You have one stud here and another stud right here. Now before I tighten any of these bolts down, I have a 12mm screw here in the back for the strap. Make sure you put that on first before you start tightening everything. So basically you have the bracket down underneath here, and your 12mm screw goes right there. That's where you put it. If you like the tips in this video, please give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, subscribe. Check out my other videos for more tips.